Is it time to buy or sell Intel stock? In this video, we will delve into Intel. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 24th of February, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any critical updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be construed as financial advice. Since the 11th of February, 2025, our system has ranked Intel as a hold or accumulate with a score of 0.16. Let's take a moment to examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of 15.74% since we initially recommended purchasing Intel just 9 days ago. This equates to an average return of 1.75% per day since it was classified as hold or accumulate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and weak upward trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further increases within this pattern. The analysis over the past 3 months suggests a potential change of approximately 3.11% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 16.51% to positive 16.61%. When considering the longer term, our 12-month analysis projects a change of negative 45.15%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between negative 80.53% and negative 38.91% over the coming year. In today's terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $4.72 and $14.83. Our latest daily update for Intel includes the headline, "Evaluation of Intel stock downgraded after the last trading session." The Intel stock price decreased by 2.41% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 24th of February, 2025. It dropped from $24.87 to $24.27. During the last trading session, the stock experienced fluctuations of 5%, with a low of $23.62 and a high of $24.80. The price has increased in 6 out of the last 10 days and is up by 26.94% over the past 2 weeks. Interestingly, the trading volume also declined on the last day alongside the stock price, which is generally a positive indicator, as volume should align with stock movements. On the last trading day, the volume decreased by 17 million shares, totaling 90 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $2.19 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $46.63, while the lowest was $18.51. Currently, the price is 47.95%, or $22.36, below the 52-week high, and 64.97%, or $45.02, below the all-time high recorded on January 24th, 2020, when the price peaked at $69.29. Intel's stock is facing downward pressure today, dipping approximately 1.6% amid a broader decline in the technology sector. Despite this, some analysts express optimism about Intel's future prospects. Alan Nuckman noted that there is still significant upside potential for the company, particularly in light of positive sentiments regarding the United States' position in artificial intelligence. Intel's recent advancements in the Xeon 6 processor lineup highlight its commitment to leading in the artificial intelligence and cloud technology space. Collaborations, such as with Wind River, signal that the new processors are designed to tackle demanding workloads effectively, potentially solidifying Intel's market position. Additionally, Metac Computing's launch of next-generation servers powered by these Xeon 6 processors could enhance Intel's appeal in server markets critical for artificial intelligence applications. However, challenges remain as Intel continues to navigate corporate governance without a permanent chief executive officer, which can create uncertainty among investors. The recent adoption of the 18Nest, a manufacturing process, signals progress that could help the company catch up with competitors like TSMC, which is crucial for regaining market share. In the short term, the technology sector's volatility could impact Intel's stock price, but the positive developments in product offerings and strategic positioning can foster longer-term growth. If Intel capitalizes on its advancements and navigates corporate challenges effectively, this could lead to a more stable stock performance moving forward. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 18th of February, 2025, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned INTC a neutral grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 31st of January, 2025, it was reported that company assigned INTC a hold grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 2nd of December, 2024, it was reported that Bernstein assigned INTC a market perform grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 17th of October, 2024, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned INTC a sell grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 3rd of October, 2024, it was reported that Wedbush assigned INTC an equal weight grade with a hold action. Analysts have issued a general sell rating for Intel stock. The price-to-earnings ratio is rated as strong sell, while the price-to-book ratio receives a buy rating. When it comes to return on investment, the stock is also assigned a strong sell rating by the analysts. The following signals have been identified for Intel. The Intel stock currently indicates a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is also a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average, this results in an overall buy signal for the stock, suggesting a positive outlook. Should the stock experience further gains, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $25.15. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the long-term average at roughly $21.15. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a drop below the long-term average will yield a sell signal. Additionally, a buy signal has been generated from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may influence short-term developments. A sell signal was noted from a pivot top point on Tuesday, February 18th, 2025, and thus far, the stock has declined by approximately 11.39%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Furthermore, volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal from 5 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 7 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 10 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 8 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see the short moving average signaled a buy 10 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy 9 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 45 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Intel. Intel finds support from accumulated volume at $24.13. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, demonstrating high volatility. With a broad prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $1.18 between its high and low, which is a movement of 5%. For the past week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 6.69%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Intel, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, consider the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can experience downturns, often due to factors that are beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and could point to potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 24th of April, 2025. Analyst consensus estimates are at 1 cent. Keep a close watch on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Intel. In case of an upward trend, The first resistance level for Intel is at $24.87. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Intel encounters its first support level at $24.13. If this support level holds, it could serve as a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Intel from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by Zinsner David, who bought and sold 121,955 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 2.169. In total, insiders acquired 335,826 shares and disposed of 356,697 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $22.90, reflecting a decrease of 5.66%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which contributes to a notably high level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal indicated by a pivot top identified 4 days ago. Is Intel stock a good buy? Intel presents several positive indicators. However, we do not consider these sufficient to label it as a buy at this time. Currently, it would be more appropriate to view it as a hold candidate, suggesting that investors might consider holding or accumulating shares while awaiting further developments. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have adjusted our recommendation for this stock from a buy to a hold or accumulate status since our last assessment. Upon evaluating the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 25th of February, we anticipate Intel to open lower with a decrease of 4 cents, starting at $24.23. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using the information provided, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.